Good morning and Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Today we are going to read another very interesting book from ORT Reader, and its name is Kipper's Diary. Its name is Kipper's Diary. Let's see that this is the title of the reader, Kipper's Diary. Kipper's Diary, and this is the title of the reader. Children, first of all, tell me, what does diary means? A diary includes person's daily feelings or the work which you are doing. Whatever work, it can be as you're going somewhere, or you're making something, or you're learning something. Those things, when you write your experiences, when you write in the diary, when you mention them with the date and day, they are called the daily diary. Here you can see that Kipper is coloring in his diary. What the Kipper is doing over here? Kipper is coloring in his diary. And what's the day mentioned over here? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday mentioned here. And what is on the next page? On the next page, it's a pet shop. What is it? It's a pet shop. Now children, who is this? Can you tell me? Who is this? Yes, this is Floppy. This is Floppy. And you're familiar with Floppy. Now children, look at the back page of your book. Wow, what is this? It's written Kipper's Diary. Kipper's Diary. And Kipper writes a diary. Kipper writes a diary. This means that Kipper is writing a diary daily. Here you can see Kipper. He is very happy. Can you see Kipper? He is very happy. Now the story is about Kipper's Diary. Now this story is about Kipper's Diary. Now children, open page number 1. Okay. Children, on the left hand side, can you see that Kipper has mentioned the day? Kipper has mentioned the day, and it's Monday. What is it mentioned? Monday. M-O-N. Monday. Day. Monday. The day is mentioned on this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side, and the day is mentioned on the left hand side and the day is Monday. Kipper has drawn himself in the diary. What he has done? He has drawn himself in the diary along with Floppy. What he has done? That he has drawn himself in the diary. This is the diary page, and he has drawn himself in the diary with Floppy. And where you see Kipper? Kipper is in the garden. Where is Kipper? Kipper is in the garden. Kipper is standing in the garden. And children, can you see one more thing, that he is wearing a raincoat? Kipper is wearing a raincoat. Why is wearing a raincoat? Can anybody tell me? Yes, it's raining. It's raining. That's why Kipper is wearing a raincoat. Now look at Kipper. Look at Kipper. He is looking up in the sky. Can you see the eyes of Kipper? He is looking up in the sky. It is wet outside and everything is wet. It is wet outside. Why it is wet outside? Because it is raining. It is raining. It is wet outside and everything is wet. Floppy doesn't seem happy. Can you see the Floppy's face? He doesn't seem happy because he is wet too. Because he is wet too. Now turn towards the, it was a wet day. It was a wet day. Why it was a wet day? Because it's raining. It's raining. Now children, turn to page number 2 and 3. Now tell me which day is mentioned on the left hand side. Yes. Which day is mentioned in Kipper's diary on the top left side? Yes, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It was a windy day. It was a windy day. And they went to the shop. Where they went? They went to the shops. There are so many shops on page number 3. Kipper has drawn himself with his mom. What he has done? Kipper has drawn himself with his mom and he is holding a teddy bear. What Kipper is doing? Kipper is holding a teddy bear in his hand and mom is holding her bag. What is mom doing? Mom is holding her bag. Kipper is holding a teddy bear in his hand and mom is holding his bag. All the leaves are flying. Can you see the leaves flying? Can you see the leaves flying? Yes, but why the leaves are flying? Because the wind is blowing. Because the wind is blowing and all the leaves are flying. And trees are also moving. Can you see the trees moving? Can you see the trees moving? Yes, the trees are also moving due to wind, because the wind is blowing. All the leaves are flying and the trees are also moving due to wind. Wind is blowing fast. You can see that wind is blowing fast. When the wind is blowing fast, all the leaves and everything are flying in the air. Kipper went to the pet shop. Where he went? He went to the pet shop. As it is mentioned it on the top. Can you see that pet shop? P-E-T, pet, S-H-O-P, shop, pet shop. Where he went? He went to the pet shop. Kipper has drawn dogs. What he has drawn? Can you see in pictures? Which animals can you see? He has drawn dogs, cats, birds, mice and rabbits. He has drawn all these things on this page, and one page is empty. This page, the other page is empty. He has drawn the pictures on the first page and the other page is empty. Now children, turn towards page number 3 and 4. Now which day is mentioned on the top left side? Which day is mentioned? That is Wednesday. That is Wednesday. Today it's Wednesday. And can you see which type of a weather he has shown? It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. And what are they doing? All of them went to the pool. Where they went? They went to the pool. This is pool. They went to the pool for swimming. Why they went to the pool? They went to the pool for swimming. And everyone seems happy while swimming. Can you see everybody? Everybody is smiling and happy while swimming. Kipper is wearing armbands. What is Kipper doing? Kipper is wearing armbands. Some people are standing near the pool. Can you see some people? They are standing near the pool. So everyone is happy because it's a sunny day and they are enjoying in the sunny day. Now turn page number. It was a sunny day. What they have written? That it was a sunny day. I went to the pool. I went to the pool. Okay, turn to the page number 6 and 7. On Thursday, which day is mentioned here? Thursday. Which day is mentioned here? Thursday. On Thursday, Kipper went to the park. Where he went? He went to the park with his dad and Floppy. With whom he went to the park? He went to the park with his dad and Floppy. The sun is shining brightly. Can you see the sun shining? It's shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly, and it was a hot day. It was a hot day because the sun is shining. The sun is shining brightly. It's shining brightly. Floppy expressions tell us that he was not happy. Can you see the Floppy's expressions? That he is not happy while playing. He is feeling hot. What he is feeling? He is feeling hot. Can you see the tongue outside of the Floppy? And he is feeling hot, and the expression shows that he is not feeling happy. Children, can you see another dog over here? Yes, it's over here. We can see another dog in the park. Some of the children are playing on the swings. Some of the children are playing on the swings and slides. Nobody was on jungle gym. Nobody was on the jungle gym. They all are playing on the swings. They all are playing on the swings. Some children seems to play footballs. Some children are playing football. Some children are playing football. Okay, it was a hot day. It was a hot day. I went to the park. Where he went? He went to the park. I went to the park. Where he went? He went to the park. Okay, now turn towards the last page. And the day mentioned here is Friday. On the left side, it's mentioned Friday. F-R-I, Fry, D-A-Y, day, Friday. This diary page of Kipper tells us about how he spent his Friday. This page tells us that how he spent his Friday. Kipper had fun on the rides. Can you see that? Kipper is enjoying. He had fun on the rides. Dad is having camera around his neck. Can you see the camera around his neck? Daddy is also enjoying. He's taking the photographs and he is having camera around his neck. Have you? Here you can see a jumping castle. What is this? This is a jumping castle. What is this? This is a jumping castle. A dog is also there. Can you see another dog? A dog is also there. Some of the children are playing with balloons. They are playing with balloons because everybody is enjoying over here. Others are having fun on rides. So it's a fun day. It was a fun day. Friday was a fun day. They enjoyed a lot. So children, this is the end of the picture description. We have done picture description and we have read the lines given there. And this picture description is about all the Kipper's diary, what he has mentioned in the diary. Now let me ask few questions, children. Let me ask few questions. Who was with the Kipper on Monday? Who was with the Kipper on Monday? Can anybody tell me? Oh, that's right. That's right. He was playing with the Floppy. He was playing with the Floppy was with him. Floppy was with Kipper and he was playing with Floppy. Now tell me, which 2 days of the week are missing from the book? Which 2 days of the week are missing from the book? Let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now tell me which 2 days are missing from this book. Yes, well done. Saturday and Sunday are not in the book. Saturday and Sunday are not mentioned in the book. Very good, children. Now tell me, why was Friday a fun day for Kipper? Why was Friday a fun day for Kipper? Good job. Very good. It looks like Kipper went to a fun fair. It looks like that Kipper went to the fun fair. Now children, this was the end of the story, Kipper's Diary. Now what you have to do, you have to read these sentences and then you have to describe all the pictures, what you can see in the picture, and let your mama know that you know about all these things. I've explained you all the pictures, all the things in the picture. Now in the same way, you are going to explain it to your mama and read the story with your mama. Okay children, Allah Hafiz.